Hello everybody, I'm Paul, this is Satnam Kundalini School, and welcome to day 3 of the 3-day grounding sequence. It's going to be a really cool practice, kind of putting the last 2 practices together with a little bit of an add-on, but don't worry about that. The whole point is being present in each moment. So don't worry about what's to come, don't worry about the past, just be present throughout the practice and I will guide you through it. At the same time, remember this is your practice, I'm just here to guide you through it. So you can go fast, you can go slow, you can do whatever feels good for you throughout the practice. So let's sit in a comfortable seated position. You can place the hands on the knees, in the lap, wherever feels good for you. Press down through the sitting bones, lengthen the spine, lifting the crown of the head towards the sky and relaxing the shoulders down and away from the ears. Beautiful. Eyes closed, attention inside, and bring the hands to prayer in front of the heart center. And let's take a few moments to be here and now and present and grounded. The connection with Mother Earth through Muladhara chakra, the element of earth, our internal battery. Softly rub the hands together, softly waking up the central nervous system, creating heat in between the hands. Finding stillness, pressing the thumbs in towards the heart center. Let's start the practice and open the practice with Om Namo Gurudev Namo. If you wish to join, please do, but if not, that's perfectly fine. Let's inhale deeply together. Relax and exhale. Inhale to chant. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale last time. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. And just softly feel into the gentle vibrations of the mantra. Connecting with that inner guru, the inner wisdom, the intuition, the guidance system within. Feeling grounded, being present, being in the moment. Relaxing the hands down and away, onto the lap, onto the knees. Let's inhale deeply together through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Beautiful. Softly coming back. We're going to place the hands at either side of the hips, the pelvis. We're going to inhale up and exhale, release. Really awakening Muladhara chakra, finding that connection with Mother Earth, being safe, being secure, and releasing anything in opposition to that. Irrational fear, anxiety. Finding that connection and being present. Let's sit nice and tall, eyes closed, attention inside, hands to either side of the pelvis, and let's start the practice for 1 minute. Inhale up and exhale down. Really feeling that awakening and arousal of Muladhara chakra as we're really bouncing down on Muladhara chakra, the perineum, the sitting bones, connecting with Mother Earth, allowing that energy to flow and move with ease and abundance. Finding stillness, inhaling deeply, holding the breath, squeezing Muladhara Bandha, pressing the hands into the mat, lengthening the spine, gaze up towards Ajna chakra, the third eye, Shambhadi mudra. And exhale, release the breath, release Muladhara Bandha, release the gaze back down to the normal ease of gaze. The arousal of Muladhara chakra, the arousal of the element of earth, feeling safe, secure. being grounded, being present. Let's inhale deeply together through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Gentle vibration and subtle ease of tension as we sigh out through the mouth. Softly coming back, I invite you to open the eyes. We're going to place the hands on the knees. We're going to inhale forward and exhale back and round to the left. We're going to be doing that for 30 seconds in each direction, but I'll guide you through it. Don't worry about that too much. Let's sit nice and tall, hands on the knees, a gentle smile on the face, feeling grounded, feeling present. Let's start the practice inhaling, left, exhaling back and round, keeping the chin parallel with the ground. The gentle massage of the perineum, the arousal and awakening of Muladhara chakra. Feeling grounded through the seat. And the next time you come forward, find stillness and move in the opposite direction, continuing to have that awareness of the moment of Muladhara chakra grounding down and grinding down into Mother Earth. That gentle and subtle arousal of Muladhara chakra. And as we come forward, let's find stillness, raising the crown of the head towards the sky, straightening the arms, lengthening the spine. Sit nice and tall. Pressing down through the sitting bones. And just feeling that power inside of being grounded, being present, being in the moment, being content with each moment, being content with each breath, being content with each thought. Let's inhale deeply through the nose together. And exhale through the mouth. Softly coming back, I invite you to open the eyes. We're going to place the hands on the front shin, whether it's the left or right, it doesn't matter. And we're going to be doing that beautiful cat-cow movement. Inhale as we open and exhale as we close. Tilting the hips, tilting the pelvis, grinding down through Muladhara chakra, feeling safe and secure, being grounded. Now let's sit nice and tall, lengthen the arms, and again keep the chin parallel with the ground. And let's start the practice. And of course, you can start nice and slow. And as you get the rhythm, you can also speed it up a little bit, really feeling that movement and that connection with Muladhara chakra, the movement and the breath. Inhale deeply, lengthen the spine, lift up tall through the crown of the head, squeeze Mula Bandha, press down through the perineum, the sitting bones, locking that energy inside. Squeeze, 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 squeeze as we lift the pelvic floor, contracting the genitals, the anus. And release. Softly coming back, we're moving on quickly to the next kriya to keep that rhythm and that movement and that motion going of being grounded. So we're going to place the hands on the knees, straighten the arms, keep the head as a natural extension of the spine. And again, it's a very similar movement to the last one we just did. It's an inhale, open, exhale, close. Again, tilting the pelvis backwards and forwards, flexing and moving and warming the spine. Eyes closed, attention inside, and let's start the practice. being present, feeling the motion and movement of the body and the breath, the grinding and grounding of Muladhara chakra and the perineum into Mother Earth, the connection of Muladhara chakra with the element of earth. Inhale, hold the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha, straighten the arms, lengthen the spine, lifting the pelvic floor, the perineum, squeezing, lifting, locking that energy inside. And exhale, release. Feeling the arousal of the energy all the way through the body. The opening of the nadis, the cleansing of the nadis around Muladhara chakra, Svadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddha, Ajna. Although we're focusing predominantly and mainly on Muladhara, the movement of the body, the breath, the meditative state we get in through the breath and the movement, we're cleansing and purifying the whole body, the whole system. But with the focus down on Muladhara chakra, we're feeling grounded, we're feeling safe, we're feeling secure and being present in each moment. Let's inhale deeply together through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Softly coming back, I invite you to open the eyes. We're going to go on to our last part of this practice. We're going to be doing some really beautiful grounding breath work. You can place the left hand on the belly or the stomach if you wish, the navel area, and have the right hand on the knee, or you can have both hands on the knees. It's entirely up to you. We're going to be breathing deeply in through the nose, into the belly, and then out through the mouth, something like this. As we breathe in through the nose, we're energizing the body with that vital energy, prana. And as we exhale through the mouth, we're releasing tension from the physical body, releasing tension from Muladhara chakra, feeling grounded, feeling safe, feeling secure, and releasing any fear or anxiety. We'll be doing that breath for 1 minute. The bell will go. We're going to inhale at the end of the 1 minute. We're going to hold the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha for about 15 seconds, and then we're going to release the breath out through the mouth and hold the breath out for around about 45 seconds. Don't go all the way out. It's not about going completely empty. It's just a natural exhale. And whenever it feels comfortable, just stop there. If you need to breathe before the end of the 45 seconds, please do. Never hold your breath till you're shaking. Happy? I can see everybody nodding their head. Smile. Beautiful. So let's do this breathing technique together. It's really grounding, really beautiful. As we breathe into the belly, we're activating the parasympathetic nervous system, this rest and digest, this calming of the nervous system. Sit nice and tall, have the belly on the hand if you wish. And again, it's a deep inhale through the nose into the belly and a relaxing exhale through the mouth, just a natural exhale. We're not forcing anything with that exhale. I'll guide you through it, so don't worry too much. Be present throughout the breathwork practice. Let's close the eyes, or you can keep your eyes open. Let's start the practice. Inhale. Hold the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha. Relax the body and mind. Release the breath. Relax the body and mind. Keep the breath out. Inhale softly and deeply through the nose. Hold the breath. Relax the body and mind. Open the mouth and sigh it out. Just take a few moments to feel grounded, to feel safe, to feel secure. Be in this moment. Be grounded in this moment. Nothing else matters. Nothing else exists apart from here and now. Softly bringing the hands to prayer in front of the heart center. If you wish to continue to sit in stillness for a while, just pause the video and sit for as long as it feels comfortable for you or is necessary for you. However, if you wish to carry on with the rest of your day, thank you for joining me in this practice. Softly bow your head down to Mother Earth, feeling safe and secure in this moment. And as always, thank you for joining me in this practice. Sat Nam, Namaste. Keep living the dream, keep smiling, and keep being in the moment.